Welcome to NSquare YouTube channel, friends. Myself Pedirazu. I am an Impact Certified Trainer and Motivational Speaker. So we have that continuous success secrets, A to Z success secrets for getting success in any field. So we are going to discuss about the third secret, that is triple C. Before going to the content, I am requesting everybody, my viewers and subscribers, please subscribe my channel and please share to your friends. They will get a very good turning point, life changing point from this video, friends. I can sure 100% for them. Please make supporting to me. So to my and also you watch this video completely, you can get very good knowledge from this session. So first of all, we discussed about that A for attitude and before the videos, and B for belief also we discussed, friends. And now we are going to discuss about the third secret is triple C. So first C is clarity, second C is consistency, third secret is and commitment, friends. So first is clarity. So clarity, here we want to think many things to do, but just only 5% of the people are getting success in their what they want to do, but remaining 90% people, are they failing in that what they want to do? No, they have some lack of skills and knowledge, and for that, because of that only they are unable to complete that what they want to achieve, what they want to reach. For that there is a solution we can discuss now, friends. So that is a one successful secret is clarity. If you want to start anything, first we need to clarity about that, why we have to do, what is the purpose of the purpose of that particular thing to do, what is the benefits of that particular thing to do anything. Okay, for that I will take one story, small story. One person is traveling in a train. So and another person came to him, and he said to him, that person, so you should jump now immediately from the train, like that he said. And that person replied to me, why have to jump? I don't jump from the train. Why are saying, why have to believe your words? Like that he replied to me, replied to him. And if I will jump from the train, I will get injured, I may lose my life. Like that he replied to that another person. So then after some time, so he found that there is a some fire accident happens in the train in the last bogie, and it's the fire is coming to the step by step with the neighboring bogies, and it reaches to the adjacent bogie. The fire, very huge fire, and a lot of smoke is there in adjacent bogie, and he found and is scared about by seeing that. Then he thought about that, now this is the time to move from the time, otherwise I will be born in this fire. Then he got jumped from the train. Then he saved with small injuries. Then he saved his life. Then completely we should understand from this story is the same thing what he did at the case of fire, and what before the person is said same thing only, but before the thing he doesn't have the clarity about that, why have to jump from the train. But after fire enters to him, near to him, he got the clarity about that. Then without anybody suggestions, immediately has taken a decision to jump from the train. So that is the clarity about that. So think, friends, in our real life also, are we comparing with others? What others are doing, that also we are doing, or we are following others, or we are doing what we required that. Real friends, before starting anything, first we should do why we have to do this. We should get clarity from that. If it is a benefit to us, because of that we are getting any success or anything fruitful results from that, then we have to start from that whatever we want to achieve it. So that is one of the thing is clarity plays very good role in everybody's life. Second thing is commitment and consistency. It is also very important thing even in student age and also in employees and also in that business person. For student is badly needs to achieve his goals or its rank or in MBBS or engineering seats with a lot of commitment. Even for it is useful for getting the job also. After completion of the job also, improving his level also, it is very important. Even in business also, business in that success never comes in one point of time or immediately. It comes after facing the lot of challenges. For that we need a commitment and consistency. For that we will take a small story. In that there is a one person in Bihar, the name is here Mahanji, Dasrath Mahanji. He is living in very poor village. Then he is a daily wise labor. He has to go to other area through a big hill. That big hill he has to climb every day, and he has to go out of that hill, and he have to do the work and again come back to his village. That is his routine work. He is doing that. One day he went to his work by climbing that big hill, and after that his wife, she brought uh, carriage lunch box for him, and she also going through that big hill, but she doesn't have that much practice to how to climb that much hill. Then he got accident. Then from her top position of the hill to and very deep of the hill. So that means suddenly fell down, and she got um, injured, a lot of injured, and she died in that incident. And after he found her, Mahanji found her, and he realized and he bothered about very well, and he cried about very well, because she is very good supporting and she is very good encouraging. He like her very well, and he can't digest that truth. And then he thought very well, and finally he really realized about that the situation happens to his wife, the same thing should not happen to anyone. That's why he took a great commitment to break the hill, and try to he committed to remove the completely that hill, and he want to make a road for the people of his village to another village. Then he started drilling of that hill with a small hammer and small that things, and he is doing very good job morning to evening when the from in the presence of sun and raining season. Always he is doing that drilling of that use hill. Many friends and colleagues and our neighbors are coming and saying, don't do this, are you mad fellow, like that, why you are doing, take a rest, be happy, already you lost your wife, why you are doing behaving like that they said. But he didn't bother, he didn't consider anybody's words. He committed to his work and committed to want to completely drill that hill. That then he did like that many years. He started that drilling of that hill at the age of 26 years, and he did up to 6 years, nearly 20, more than 20 years he did this work. Finally drilled that complete that hill. After that Bihar government recognized him, and also they kept a modern road in through that hill, and he given honored, that road is honored as a name of Dasrath Mahanji by the government, Bihar government. And after that also the Bihar government built a school also in the name of Dasrath Mahanji. And also after that Bihar government built another hospital that in the name of Dasrath Mahanji. Not only that, Bihar government is used to give a big valuable award to many people. That award is in the name of Dasrath Mahanji. So because of his commitment and hard work and dedication, and also concentration and consistency on his work. The mainly Bihar government recognized him. So we should also show the that much commitment and consistency in our life to achieve our goals, our dreams, or whatever we want to fulfill in a few span of the time. So we have to be consistent in that case. So like that, we have to be, but we will see always many reasons. God is not given that thing, God is not given this thing, like that we will see many problems and many reasons. But we don't see that how many possibilities are around us are there, we won't see. So for this one example, we will take one real story. So one American poet and politician and lawyer and also an teacher, those many roles played by a woman like Helen Keller. She is a deaf and dumb by 19 months from its birth. 19 months. So even though she done many degrees through his fingers, and she learned by the technique of Tadoma technique. She used to touch the lips and sees and neck of others. By the with the help of that, she can find others what they are speaking, what they are saying. With that, she learned lot, and she completed these many responsibilities, even though God has not given all the resources to her. And not only that, she almost they visited nearly 79 countries for really like the like physically challenged people. She fight for their rights and served for them, and serviced many things to the type of people. So that means what we have to learn from this, we always will see that what are the difficulties are there and what are the problems are there. But if you see from this story, she doesn't has that how to see, they can't able to see, she can't able to listen, even though just with the help of that only his fingers, by utilizing that, she completed four responsible as a writer, as a politician, as a lawyer, and as a teacher. How many responsibilities she done, how many people she helped, how much we should we realize that how many resources are there in front of us, how many opportunities around us are available, are we utilizing that, or God gifted opportunities, are we taking that? Really once we should think it, and we have to utilize it, and we should get it, we will fulfill it, we have to sacrifice, and we have to um, recognize ourselves, okay, first, then automatically people recognize us. So okay, this is our my complete content. I hope you all are enjoyed with my session, and you can share through this to many people by subscribing channel. I am getting I will expect good support, great support from you. Thank you, friends.